Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In this video, do you want to insert auto borders like this? I will show you a simple trick. Select the area and go to conditional formatting. Click on new rule. Click on the last option. Use a formula to determine which cell format and after this type this formula. Click on the first cell and remove $1 sign. Then type not equal value and type the quotation mark twice. After this, click on Format, select Outline Bordered, and then press on OK. Now you can see that the border line has been added automatically. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.